ba Gabriel yang rai ubolong Pulit IPS jangka jela ulalek jamin nok mantak sengi ka khat sautarek urempang arajar arpulai masan mi na pop hatok Shillong District Jail ba yang rai ubrasa kem halo kejing kena bam sab PPR kata Pulit ulah the teng iki para Pulit berkamjuru kamtam ya kejing syale sina khamat jung kata Pulit berkamjuru akasauka jela
above 20 years in which name of prominent people, some have retired, some are on the verge of retiring, but they'll never come and stand like this to come and arrest. Here, this is what these people standing here, ready to arrest. In the CIDPS only they have, and they don't dare. And there are so many skeletons, scams, ACB. You talk about ACB, anti-corruption. I am the only corrupted person. Fine. If I am corrupt, let the law decide. I have full faith in the law, and I will, I don't mind to be hanged also if it's my constitution. But I will not allow anyone to, why on the 2nd of November, the very first thing when I came to realize that they're going to raid my house. I have to hide because I'm scared that they do the same Cherister episode because the mastermind are the same. The mastermind. Understand? You might not shoot, I might not shoot, but the mastermind behind, and even these so-called people who are recording from the police, the loyal policemen, the very loyal policemen, they also are, under duress. They don't want to do. They tell me in private, service but what to do is duty. I said, okay, I understand, my friends. It's your duty. You do your duty. For my rights, I will fight. If I have to die, I will die. But please do not touch my family. Do not harass my family. I have only family and nothing else. And when I have made, I don't have a mansion anywhere. Whatever I don't even have a house. I have no land, and I am staying with my mother. I'm staying in my quarter. I'm single. I have worked for 20 years. I don't have. My total salary will come how much? They are alleging this appropriate. Please check the affidavits filed by the many so-called people contesting elections. They have what? Have you ever exercised CID, ACB? Have you done? You have not done. Why keep with me? What did I do? Because I do my work sincerely. This is the result. 274 cases of people in the police were pending compassionate jobs have not been done by various people during my tenure. 274 people after committing with the after I came, after queries cleared, got 274 families of the policemen have been able to get compassionate employment, and then 69 families of those people who died to lay down their lives have got special family pension during my time. And this is what I get the result. I go to office at 10, I come at 8. I don't have a family life, no social life, and this is what I get. You expect me to get this? I am a victim of a very high level conspiracy beyond my mind, and I don't know which political party, which political agent, or which terrorist agent. And there are many people doubting my medals. I got without any stain of blood on my medal. I've got those medals and nothing. And then there are many people who are wearing their chest very high, but with stain of blood, innocent blood in them, and rewarded. And so many inquiries happen. What happened late Chesterfield till now? Have you got the answer? You got who's the mastermind? You got everything. PJ Marbanyang, you got, and many others. And many innocent people who've been caught, shot and shown, got medals. You put medals here. That is what justice. And now what they'll do? They'll torture me. What they did? They mentally tortured me. And even when they did the inquiry, I was never informed that there's an inquiry against you, against me, for the alleged so whatever. They must have made charges, thousands of charges. This is my first briefing. I have got sufficient amount of evidence with me, which I will use. Now it is only them, because they have the laws with them. All the high level are with them. I am nothing. I'll tell you, even the people who used to work. Suppose now you are my staff, you are my junior, you work with me. Even they have been put on duress make statements after statements against me, alleging this, alleging that, as if all the police. See, I'm not saying the whole system is. We have a lot of good policemen who are still very good, but always under duress because they cannot butter. They don't belong to this, and especially the highway, which is a source of lifeline. This is where I am a victim of. Why? Because under my signature, many things have happened. Many people have got letters which they don't want, and now because in a jail we have access to newspaper which you all write. There is a question about some high-level people who even the Honorable High Court has asked the credibility. And now, me, what did I do? It's all material. They want to torture me, put me inside. What else you want from me? What will I do? I cannot tamper any evidence now. I am just an ordinary man. I don't even know how to drive. I don't know how to do anything. I have to go by taxi now. Everything, my livelihood has been affected. They've seized my account. They freeze my account. Whatever property I have, because it's in my name. I didn't hide. I never hide it like anyone else. They hide that they don't have property to declare. It's in my name. Why? Because I bought it. I have been a hardworking person right from the day I have not joined service. I have worked as a peon. I have worked as a teacher for 25 rupees. I go and, do brasso job. I go and I do tuition. I make flowers. I make so many things. I do of my life, of myself and my family. That is my weapon, which as I'm holding. If I open that scam, the entire whoever is responsible will. But my life is under threat. My family's life is not threat. They have attacked my family. They have done everything to my family. You know that. And I'm alive just because of my family. I'm single. If I die now, no problem. They can shoot from there. They can use sniper from there. They can use from anywhere. They have the power. They have everything. I don't have that. I have only a pen. And you must be knowing from the jail itself, I've been writing a lot of letters. I've completed 3 reams of letters in a period of 102 days. 102 days. Various letters I have written. And now these people have come. They will arrest me now because they are under duress. They want to do, they will do. They have done everything. Even during my interrogation, my rights has been violated as per section 41D, in which I've asked for a presence of my lawyer. That was not given to me. Even my blanket, they tore it. They tore it. So much trauma they gave me. And my right to religion has been used. I want to hold my rosary. I am not going to crucify myself. I'm not going to, how do you call suicide? No, I cannot keep suicide with this rosary. Even that, just a pen paper also didn't allow me. And then what they do when I sleep at night, they put the mobile on so loud so that I can't sleep, so I'll be under total duress. When I complain, everyone say, I don't know, this is not my case. This is CID case. This is not OC. This is the thing. Where CID does not have a PS of the lock-up of their own, so they keep me in police custody there, and then the kind of pressure they keep, and the kind of humiliation and character assassination. I'm totally naked. What is there for me? I can walk naked also because nothing is there. I'm only exposed. But before if I have to die also, others also will go, but at an appropriate time, appropriate level. And I'm not going to answer any question. This is one. What do you want to do? They are now to arrest me. Ask them. They are here to arrest me.
Madam, you can come with us. You also can. And advocate also can come.